Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 9 tan t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1. We change for secant of t square, and later that we can change secant of t square and we simplify the square root and ds. So we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one going here and here. ds, that is about this one. So this one we have number 9 tan t square. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. This one that is about secant of t square. The square root of this one we have number 3 secant of t. So this one we have 9 tan t square. So we need to simplify number 3 secant of t on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 9 go outside. So we have the formula in here. So we put this one gone here. Secant of t, that is about this one. So this one we have sin t square over cosine t square. And now we need to simplify cosine t and cosine t. And this one will go to numerator, and that is about cosine t over sin t square. And now we have the formula in here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. Cosine t dt we change for du. So the integration of this one we have like this. About u, that is about sin t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And now we have the final answer. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.